If you're tired of financial gurus selling you a dream, you're in the right place. These aren't just influencers, these are the creators whose analysis actually built my portfolio. Today, I'm ranking the 5 financial YouTubers that didn't just give me advice, they gave me the strategies that made me wealthy. Let's get into it. At number 5, Tom Nash. Look, Tom was my entry point into Palantir back in the early days. While others were panicking, Tom used his weighing machine philosophy to break down exactly why Palantir was the indispensable OS of AI. He taught me to ignore short-term market noise and hold companies with real business quality. If you want to master long-term conviction, follow him at Tom Nash TV. Number 4 is Chris Sane. Honestly, Chris was the catalyst for my swing trading journey. He doesn't just guess, he provides a precise play-by-play. He taught me the discipline of getting in and getting out of positions at the exact right time. His 15 trade rule is a masterclass in not overtrading. If you want a mentor who treats the market like a technical game, then Chris Sane is your guy. At number 3, Hyperchange. This channel was imperative to my decision to go all in on Tesla. Their breakdown of why Tesla is a tech disruptor, not just a car company, was perfectly timed and, more importantly, correct. They focus on the future of wealth, SpaceX, AI, and disruptive tech. Following them felt like getting a head start on the rest of the market. Number 2, solving the money problem. Along with Hyperchange, this channel gave me the absolute conviction to bet on the Elon Musk ecosystem. Stephen Mark Ryan breaks down the math behind Tesla's future better than anyone on this platform. He helped me see the long-term compounding potential of AI and FSD when the rest of Wall Street was still calling it a bubble. Finally, at number 1, Genius Chicken. Even though the channel is no longer active, its impact on my life remains. They taught me the invisible side of the market, psychology, understanding human behavior, why people panic, why they sell too early, and why they ignore the data was the single greatest lesson I ever learned. It's a masterclass that still pays dividends on today. There you have it, the 5 creators that built my financial foundation. But I want to hear from you. Which YouTuber made the biggest difference in your wallet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into wealth building. See you in the next one.